Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy, absolutely foolproof smoky eye hack using a tissue.
And this absolutely beautiful eyeshadow palette from Saint Cosmetics. Take a tissue and fold it anywhere you like. You want to place the tissue to follow the natural angle of your bottom lid. Look straight ahead as you place the tissue, and then starting with the very darkest color that you want to use. For the first look today, I'm going to use the black. Use your brush to really build up the intensity of the color to get it to the level you want. Don't be shy, just keep packing it on. You've got the tissue there to keep things under control. I'm going to put a little bit through my lash line here, and then you can even use the brush that it comes with to really pack some into the lash line. The key with any eyeshadow look is blending, so just keep blending to get the edges as buffed out as you want. I'm just going to bring a little bit more across the lid, just whatever's left on the brush, to add a little bit of grayness. When you remove the tissue, you'll see you have a really nice crisp line. Some people might like this look the way it is. I like to add a little bit of shadow to the bottom and just make sure they're nice and connected up and there's no gaps. If you like a more blown out look, you can also start to shade out the edge a little bit, change the shape, whatever suits you. To make the look a little bit more fun, I'm using a bright lipstick for a pop of color. Using this beautiful berry tone here, I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the lid and through the crease just to build up the intensity of the eye. If you want even more intensity, you can go in with a black liner for a very smoky look. For something a little bit more daytime, I'm going to take this beautiful matte brown. Again, putting the most color in the outer corner and then whatever's left on the brush, putting that across the lid. I'm also going to put a little bit on the bottom. I like this look, especially for daytime. I just find it's a little bit softer. But if you wanted to make it more intense, you could go back in with the black to deepen it up again. Make sure you just keep blending to make sure that you get the look you're after if you want it quite diffused, or you can just leave it as it is if you like a sharper look. And another look using this beautiful light pink shade. I've done a little bit of soft black in the outer corner and then just packing that beautiful pink color all across the lid and putting a little bit underneath as well for something a little different. I hope the tissue trick gives you the confidence to give a smoky eye a go. And if you want to know any more about these products, you can check out the accompanying blog post.